Imagine this, it's 2 a.m., you're sound asleep, and somewhere in the universe, a brand new token has just launched. Does this sound familiar? Maybe something from this past weekend? By the time you wake up, it's too late. You've missed out on the bulk of the action. But what if I told you there's a way to never miss out on these opportunities without sacrificing your sleep? Today, I'm going to show you a new Twitter bot I built and open sourced using AI16Z's agent Twitter client connected to your Solana wallet that will alert you when a new token drops and immediately buy some of it within seconds of the launch. Let's take a look. The README for the project contains detailed instructions on how to set it up and run the bot. As it specifies in the README, it comes with a main script that is what you use to invoke when you're running it, all the helper functions in index.js, and also a comprehensive testing suite using Jest. The bot uses AI16Z's fantastic agent Twitter client plugin to log into Twitter, fetch tweets from accounts you designate, and search for specified keywords and Solana token addresses. The bot then extracts the token address and uses Solana's SDK to attempt a purchase. Whether the purchase was successful or not, whether an address could be identified or not, you either way will get an email alert within seconds thanks to Resend, which has a generous free tier and the Resend API. The main JS script is what you will invoke, and it imports all the relevant helper functions from index.js. The central function in index.js is monitor tweets, which is called every 5 minutes while the script is kept running. You won't get unnecessary emails because previously reviewed tweets are added to a JSON file, which is used to ensure your email inbox is not overwhelmed with old alerts. The Solana.js file contains the logic for purchasing tokens based on the tweet with a token address identified. We maintain a high slippage of 15%, which is not fantastic, but given the volatility of new token launches and the craze around them, it's sometimes required. The resend.js file succinctly wraps up the email logic, while the scraper.js file contains all the Twitter interactions leveraging AI16Z's Twitter client. Now, next time when you wake up after a refreshing night of sleep, you perhaps don't have to live in despair that you missed out on all the action at 2 a.m. because you had this script running. Now, no promises guaranteed. It's an open source project running on defined keywords and tracking defined accounts that you specify. So like most things in the space, anything could happen, and buyer beware. But at least you can say you both tried something and got a good night's rest at the same time. You can find the link to the GitHub repository for the bot along with detailed setup and usage instructions. Good luck and have fun.